Hello, in this video I will show you how to check how long have you been subscribed to someone on YouTube. Now it's a very easy process. Just simply go to your Google account, then click on your profile name over here, then click on manage your Google account. Now just simply click on data and privacy. Now over this, just simply scroll down and click on YouTube history. Now again scroll down and click on manage history. Now right over here, just simply click on interactions, and over here you will have an option of channel subscriptions. Click on that option, and now you will be able to see all the channels that you have subscribed so far and what are the days when you subscribe to that particular channel. So as you can see in my account, the first channel that I have subscribed was on 2027 and it was of PewDiePie. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.